Tom Dupree is here, former Deputy Assistant Attorney General under George W. Bush. Tom, good to see you as always. Are we making too much of this?
Not at all, Leland. I mean, I was shocked. I wasn't quite as shocked as the economists were. I've never seen economists get so excited about something like this. And I'm also mystified by the White House's reaction. Those numbers are striking, and it is beyond me why the White House isn't taking this more seriously and trying to figure out if, in fact, there was a leak.
There's two issues here. One, right, is the idea of a leak and people breaking the confidentiality of these numbers that they get a heads up on. The second is insider trading. Do both of those come back to the Justice Department?
Well, they sure could. The Justice Department, the SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, is another agency that's very interested in this. And those two things you mentioned, Leland, I think go hand in glove. In other words, if this, in fact, was a deliberate leak, it very well could have been connected to someone trading on this information. So you'd have the leaker and you would have the trader. The leaker leaks the information. The trader then acts on the information, if that's what happened. And that's what the government needs to get to the bottom of.
Are we to believe that the White House says, oh, don't worry about this, it's totally minor, and at the same time, the government is trying to get to the bottom of it?
Well, that's just what's so puzzling here, Leland. I mean, you can't deny those numbers. Those are extraordinary. You never see that type of trading activity in the run-up to the announcement of these inflation numbers. It's completely anomalous. Could there be an innocent explanation? Possibly. We don't know. But it does seem suspicious. And at a minimum, it's something that warrants very, very close investigation, because these are some of the most closely held secrets in the entire United States government, precisely because they have such high economic value.
Right. For those 12 hours, it's literally like holding on to gold. You've been in these situations and investigated people. When there's something wrong, is the sort of, hey, nothing to see here, we're going to downplay it. Does that work?
You know, I don't think it will work by and large with the Justice Department. In other words, people will see what the press secretary said, but the Justice Department officials, at least the line prosecutors and people who would be investigating this stuff, they're going to get to the bottom of it. They're going to take this seriously. They're going to carry out their duty to figure out if something went on here. Just because the White House press secretary is trying to downplay it doesn't mean that prosecutors, whose duty is to uphold the law, will turn a blind eye to this.
Well, I'm not sure your confidence is infectious, but it is inspiring.
Well, thank you.
It's good to see you. Thanks again, Tom.
Likewise. Thanks, Leland.
Yes, sir. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.